Does it feel like the recent changes to the LinkedIn algorithm have hurt your reach? You publish something you've put some effort into, get a handful of likes from your work colleagues, and then your impressions stall? Here's my advice. The platform rewards one thing above all else now, and that's genuine, relevant conversations and expressions of interest. So how do you achieve that? Firstly, focus on achieving dwell time on your posts. Write sharp, specific opening lines that make your ideal readers stop scrolling and click in to read more. Encourage people to save, send, and comment on your post. Secondly, keep in mind that LinkedIn now tests your posts on a small, hyper-targeted segment of users first, mostly not people in your existing network. If those people who LinkedIn thinks should be interested in your post don't engage, then your reach stalls. What does that mean in practice? Ditch the vague business lessons and stick to one clear, commercially relevant pain point per post, or write each post to appeal to one specific type of business user, such as a SaaS fan. There's obviously a lot more that could be said on all this. See the blog link in the description for our full rundown.